Hey, what's up? So today I will show you how you can get better at drawing hands. But before we can get to hands, there's something you need to learn first, which is drawing boxes and drawing them at different angles. So if you don't know how to draw boxes, go and learn that first, because that's what we are going to use for this exercise. Now let's look at a hand. Hands are so hard to draw because every finger can move independently, and that creates a numerous hand gesture. So let me show you a simple exercise so that you can get better at hands. First, take a reference picture of a hand, then simplify the reference using boxes. Use one big box for the palm and make sure it's slightly curved from the top, making a shape something like this. Then draw each segment of the fingers using smaller boxes. Each finger has 3 segments, if you did not know. Now copy this simplified hand and, looking at the reference, turn it into a finished drawing. Do it multiple times. The more you do it, the better you get. And the last thing you should do is draw it from memory. If you can't draw it from memory, then do more reference drawings. Let's look at another example. So this one is a bit more complex because the other side of the hand is not visible. When that happens, just imitate the gesture with your own hand and visualize the box. So about bending of the fingers. The fingers are going to bend into each other, which makes it look that one side of the finger got smaller, but it actually just the skin folding. So I hope you liked this video and learned something from it. So like, subscribe, and goodbye.